Good morning everyone, this is Abhishek Singh Rathore from class 9th is here to explain the topic about the my hobby. Thank you for giving me chance. NSO is giving me chance to talk here. The National School of Excellence NSOE. Here we do the progressive learning. Cricket as a hobby. Cricket is not just a game, it's an emotion. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you, Ayush Rathore, for guiding me, and it is made by me, Abhishek Rathore. Let me introduce what is cricket. History of cricket. Before going to the topic of cricket, we must know the history of the cricket. Originated in England during the 16th century, became a popular sport by the 18th century. First international match 1844 Canada versus USA. First test match 1877 England versus Australia. Cricket World Cup started in 1975. T20 format introduced in 2003 for fastest plays. Now played and loved worldwide, especially in India, England, and Australia. Let me after this I will introduce what is the international matches, test matches, World Cups, and T20 formats. Test match or test cricket played over 5 days with 2 innings per team, considered the longest and oldest format. One day international, which is also known as the ODI, each team plays 50 overs. Matches usually last around 8 hours. 2020 T20 fastest format. Each team played 20 overs, last about 3 hours. These three are the main cricket which are played by the most of the country, and the other formats like the hundreds, the T10 are not played by the many countries. In the hundreds, there are 100 balls for the per side, which is usually play in the England. T10 per 10 over per side lasts then 90 minutes. Who is the main head of this cricket? Who manage all these things? ICC, the International Cricket Council, the government body of the world cricket, founded in 1999 as the Imperial Cricket Conference. What? This is different, and International Cricket Council is different. Rename International Cricket Council in 1989. There is a rename of this ICC. Headquarters is present in the Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Organize major tournaments like the Cricket World Cup, T20 World Cup, and the Champions Trophies. What about India? Who control the India? BCCI, Board of Control of Cricket in India, governing body of the cricket in India, founded in 1928. Headquarters is present in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. Organizes all the Indian matches, domestic and internationals. Control the Indian Premier League, IPL, who is the toppest T20 league in the world. One of the richest and the most powerful cricket board in the world. Who are the legends who played the cricket? Sir Dom Bradom from Australia, known as the greatest batsman ever with an average of 99.94. Sachin Tendulkar from India, called the great god of the cricket, scored 100 international crickets. Sir Viv Richard from West Indies, one of the most fearless and dominated batsmen all the time. You can also get the name of Sir Viv Richard in the movie 83. Kapil Dev from India lead to the first World Cup win in 1983. Sir Godfrey Sorbens from West Indies, greatest all-rounder in the cricket history. Shane Watson from Australia, legendary leg spin bowler, over 700 wickets. Muthi Murugadhan from Sri Lanka, highest wicket taker in international cricket. Regan Ponting from Australia, one of the most successful captain and the batsman. Do you know the Regan Ponting is currently the fielding coach of the Lucknow in IPL? MS Dhoni from India, Captain Cool, lead India to 2007 T20, 2011 ODI, and the 2013 Champions Trophy to the India, and also gained the 5 IPL trophy from from the IPL. Virat Kohli, who is from India, modern legend known for consistency and aggressive batting. Now, I will talk about some deep learning about the legends from the India. Kapil Dev, who is the captain of 1983 World Cup. Full name of Kapil Dev is Kapil Dev Ramlar Nikhanj. Born in 6 January 1959, Chandigarh, India. Role all-rounder, fast bowler and middle order batsman. International career 1978 to 1994. Major achievement, captain India to its first cricket World Cup for victory in 1983. You can also get a movie 83 which is presented by the T-Series. Records, first player to take over 400 wickets in Test cricket. Scored over 5,000 Test runs. Awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. Legacy, considered one of the greatest all-rounder in cricket history. Inspired a generation of cricket Indians. Then I will talk about the Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is also known as the Thala or Mahi. Full name Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born in 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, India. Role wicketkeeper, batsman and captain. International career from 2004 to 2019. Retired from Test in 2014. ODIs and T20s in 2020. Major achievements, captain to the 2007 T20 World Cup victory, lead to India in ODI 2011 ODI World Cup victory, won 2013 Champions Trophy and also won the 5 trophy in IPLs. Records, known for the finishing the match under the pressure, famous for helicopter shot, one of the most successful Indian captain. And also, do you know the fastest stumping is also done by the MSD. Award, Padma Shri in 2009, Padma Bhushan in 2008. Legacy, reversed as Captain Cool for calm leadership. Inspired millions with her aggressive and composed playing style. Sachin, do you know why I have written here 7? Because the jersey number of Mahendra Singh Dhoni is 7. But why it not in the Kapil Dev? Because in that time, cricket is modern. The cricket is come from the other country, but there is not the trend to use your personal number. But after the years, there is a particular number for a person which is dedicated to them. And also, do you know the jersey number 7 is retired from the cricket? It means that in future no one can take jersey number 7. As for the respect of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Sachin Tendulkar, full name Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, born in 14 April 1973, Mumbai, India. Role, right-handed batsman. International career 1989 to 2013. Major achievement, scored 100 international centuries, most by any player. Highest run scorer in both Test and ODIs. Part of India in 2011 World Cup winning team. Record, first to score a double century in ODIs. 200 played 200 test matches, most by an cricketer. Award, Bharat Ratna 2014. It is the Indian's highest civilian award. Padma Vibhushan 2008. Padma Shri 1990. Legacy, known as the god of cricket, inspired millions with the dedication, humility and the brilliance of the field. And do you know who are the top teams in the formats? I am talking about 2025. In the 2025 T20 top team is India. In ODI also India, and in Test Australia is the toppest team. Why to choose? Now I will introduce the topic why to choose cricket as a hobby. And the basics are ends here. So first of all, physical fitness, enhance stamina, strength and overall health. Teamwork, collaboration, teaches how to work efficiently in a team. Mental toughness, improve focus and decision making skill. Discipline and patience, regular patience develop disciplines and persistence. Social interaction helps make friends and build social connections. Stress relief. Playing cricket is a fun way to relax and relieve stress. Skill development improve hand-eye coordination and relax. Opportunity can lead to the competitions, recognition, and the even perform growth. And also, it is work like a therapy for the cricket lovers. Please tell me your favorite cricket team in international and in also the IPL. Together we will. Thank you very much.